Welcome to English practice.
In this video, you will hear a long conversation covering many everyday topics.
Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Let's begin.
Good morning, John.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm doing well. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept about 8 hours. And you?
I slept a little late, but I feel fine.
Are you hungry?
Yes, let's have breakfast at this cafe.
Good idea. What would you like to eat?
I'll have toast and coffee. What about you?
I'll take an omelet and tea.
Do you usually eat breakfast outside? Not often. I usually eat at home. How do you usually start your day?
I check my phone, then exercise a little. What about you?
I drink water first, then I read the news.
Do you read the news every day?
Yes, it helps me stay informed.
This park is beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, the trees and flowers look amazing.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes when I need to relax, do you like nature?
Yes, I love walking in green places.
What about hobbies do you enjoy?
I like playing guitar and taking photos. What about you?
I enjoy drawing and cooking. Do you play guitar every day?
Not every day, but a few times a week.
Look at this bookstore. Should we go in?
Yes, I love books. Do you like reading novels?
Yes, especially mystery stories. What do you read?
I read history and travel books.
Do you buy books often?
Yes, I buy at least one book each month.
Do you usually take the bus to work?
Yes, it's cheap and easy. How about you?
I usually walk because my office is near.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, trains are fast and comfortable. This museum is interesting.
Yes, I like the old paintings. Do you visit museums often?
Only sometimes, do you?
Yes, I enjoy learning about history and art.
What's your favorite kind of museum?
I like science museums.
I like science museums. What's your favorite meal of the day?
Dinner, because I eat with my family. What about you?
I like lunch. It gives me energy.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, very much. Do you?
A little, but not too spicy.
Look at these fruits. They look fresh.
Yes, I'll buy some apples. Do you? Like apples?
Yes, I do. What fruit do you eat most?
I eat bananas almost every day. What about you?
I eat oranges often.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother and one sister. What about you?
Yes, I do. I can cook pasta and rice. How about you?
No, I live in the city. Do you live with yours?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you want to watch a movie later?
Sure. What kind of movie do you like?
I like comedy. What about you?
I like action movies. Do you watch movies often?
Yes, at least once a week.
Do you use social media a lot?
Yes, for news and friends. What about you?
I use it for learning English. Do you think social media is good or bad?
Both. It's good for learning but bad if you waste too much time.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I want to speak fluently. What about you?
I also enjoy it. Do you find grammar difficult?
Sometimes, but practice helps.
Do you prefer studying alone or with others?
I like studying with friends. Do you save money every month?
Yes, I try to. Do you?
Sometimes, but I like shopping too much.
Do you prefer cash or card?
I prefer cash. It's easier to control spending.
The city looks beautiful at night.
Yes, the lights are so bright.
Do you like walking at night?
Yes, it feels calm. Do you?
Yes, it helps me think.
What are your dreams for the future?
I want to travel the world. What about you?
I want to be a teacher and help students.
Do you think dreams are important? Yes, they give us motivation. Do you exercise regularly?
3 times a week, you?
I jog every morning.
Do you eat healthy food?
Most of the time, but I like sweets too.
Do you care about the environment?
Yes, I recycle plastic.
I use cloth bags instead of plastic.
Do you think people should plant trees?
Yes, it makes the air cleaner.
Do you think robots will replace humans?
Maybe, but not completely.
Do you like new technology?
Yes, it makes life easier.
Do you think flying cars will exist?
Yes, maybe in the future. Do you sometimes forget things?
Yes, I forget my keys often.
I forget my phone charger.
How do you solve problems?
I try to stay calm and think clearly. What is your dream job?
To be a manager. And you?
To be a manager, and you?
Do you want to travel in the future?
Yes, I want to visit Japan.
The city looks beautiful at night.
Yes, the lights are amazing.
We talked about many things today.
Sure, see you next time. Goodbye.
Excellent work.
You just practiced a long English conversation about daily life, food, travel, hobbies, money, health, jobs, and more.
Watch again, repeat often, and keep improving your English listening and speaking skills.